Hey everybody, my name is Brandon Gorakhnauth. I'm a marketing engineer here at Hamamatsu Photonics, and I handle all of our products from our laser division. Of those products includes our high-power spatial light modulator. This takes a laser wavefront, manipulates the phase, and creates any dynamic arbitrary shape that you could think of. From an application point of view, we mainly use this in quantum computing for creating optical lattices, holding the atoms in place. We have our high power models that go up to 700 watts average power, and we have kilowatt versions planned. That's mainly for additive manufacturing, so for selective metal sintering and metal processing in general. Generally, we use this a lot in aberration correction. So if you're doing microscopy, just suppressing any oddities in your optics chain, this can handle that as well. It's very easy to use. We could use it as a live stream from DVI, or you could trigger it externally with GPIO pins, or simply a USB connection. And we have new interfaces in the works as well. If you ever catch us at an exhibition, you could see this live demonstration there. This is our LCOS SLM black box. And inside it includes some mirrors, an objective lens, just to show you an example setup for the SLM. If you ever catch me around, if you ever catch anybody from Hamamatsu around, and you have any questions about the LCOS SLM, don't be bashful, don't be shy, step on up and give it a try and see what we have.